Hey, it's day after New Year's. It's raining outside. Show you what we're working on in the shop. Remember that service cart? We got the big wheels on it. I'm having to build a back deal and building another tray to go around. This back deal is for, there it is, to hold the impacts and all, since it's going to be outside. I got some stuff coming from Amazon. I'm going to need some help from you guys or my son. Ordered a power strip. And I don't know if I should put the power strip hidden underneath. It's hard to see. In this slot right here between this upper deck and all to where the power strip's out here. And I got a Bluetooth speaker. So I might do that since it's going to be sheltered by this. We wait for Amazon to come and then I'll have the true dimensions of everything. So the $50 service cart is coming along. Happy New Year, guys.